How to use Zazacorona with a footwear dip. When walking outside, shoes can get contaminated by various strain of viruses freshly shed by an infected person, coming into a house, a workplace, a school, or other public establishments carrying a deadly disease. Floors walked on and hands putting or taking off shoes can get contaminated. Use a footwear dip and shoe spray to prevent the spread of diseases. Farms, food processing plants, and laboratories around the world use foot baths as part of biosecurity measures against viruses and microbes inside the premises. How to make a footwear dip. Take a tray and put a mat or rag in it. Wet or damp the mat with Zazacorona. Place the footwear dip by the entrance. How to use the footwear dip. Step into the mat or rag with your shoes on, scrub the shoe sole on the wet mat or rag, step out of the footwear dip. How to maintain a footwear dip. For public places, change and wash the mat and apply Zazacorona solution daily. In homes and less traffic places, footwear dip can be replaced every 3 to 4 days. Duration vary depending if it gets too soiled. For efficacy, keep the mat damp when using. Zazacorona. Virucidal and bactericidal disinfectant. Scented ready-to-use multi-surface cleaner, contains alkyl dimethyl benzyl ammonium chloride and glutaraldehyde, and activates viruses and bacteria, safe to use for shoes, boots, and other footwear. For more details, please visit www.zagro.com or call 675-918-111.